All right, it's February 11th, 2025, y'all. And here we are out here in another snowstorm in Virginia. This one's supposed to be, I guess, I heard one place say 6 to 8 inches. I've heard up to 11 inches. But at the end of the day, whatever it is whatever it is. I had to come out and go to the Walmart and pick up something. Now I'm on my way back home. You know, I just wanted to get on here because there hasn't been much content in my wood yard, but that doesn't mean that the game is over. You know, we can talk about anything. This is Curtis Minor's page, and this is the Curtis Minor Experience. So, over the last 8 to 10 days, I've been very, very sick. And I'm a diabetic, so it's taken me a little longer to get better than most people. And I just wanted to say rest in peace to Irv Gotti. He died the other day, 54 years old, and come to find out he was diabetic. So that kind of made me feel some kind of way. You know, you can handle a lot of things a lot of different ways, but with diabetes, it's one of the silent killers. So you have to make sure that you're checking your blood sugar and that you're regulating your blood sugar. They have certain pills out there that I'm not going to say to take or not to take. But if your body lacks insulin and you need it to survive, then you need to be shooting that insulin. You know, no matter how much it is or whatever, because that's going to help you prolong your life. Nobody is even saying that that's the end-all, cure-all for diabetes, but myself, I take about 54 units every night of insulin, and it helps me regulate my blood sugar throughout the day, the next day, and then I check it and make sure it's within the right limits and go from there. But yeah, I had to run out to Walmart. Now I'm headed back home. But you guys got to take care of your physical and your mental. Nobody's going to do it for you. So, just wanted to get on here for a few minutes and talk and say thank you also to my 422 subscribers to my channel.